Have you ever heard the phrase, "Have a break, have a Kit Kat"? It's one of the most famous advertising slogans in the world, and for good reason. The Kit Kat is incredibly popular. People everywhere love its satisfying crunch and creamy chocolate. But have you ever wondered how this iconic candy bar is made? Let's take a delicious journey behind the scenes and find out. We'll start with the essential ingredients, then explore how those ingredients are transformed into the treat we know and love. Along the way, we'll uncover the secrets behind its unique texture and flavor. Get ready to learn how a simple combination of ingredients becomes a worldwide sensation. From the first bite to the last, Kit Kat offers a sensory experience that has captivated generations. It's a testament to the power of combining simple elements with precision and care. So, let's dive in and discover the magic that makes a Kit Kat a Kit Kat. Before we embark on our factory adventure, let's gather our ingredients. What exactly goes into making a Kit Kat so irresistible? The star of the show is undoubtedly chocolate. Kit Kat uses real chocolate made from cocoa beans, which gives it that rich and decadent flavor we all crave. But the magic doesn't stop there. The other key component is the crispy wafer. These delicate wafers are made from a simple mixture of wheat flour, sugar, and yeast. These ingredients work together to create the signature light and airy texture that perfectly complements the smooth chocolate. Of course, no Kit Kat would be complete without a touch of sweetness. Sugar is added to both the chocolate and the wafer recipe, ensuring the perfect balance between sweet and chocolatey. Finally, a touch of salt is added to enhance the flavors and create a more complex taste experience. Now that we've assembled our ingredients, let's head to the factory floor and see how they're transformed into the iconic Kit Kat bars we know and love. Our first stop takes us to the heart of the Kit Kat operation, the wafer production line. This is where the magic begins, transforming raw ingredients into the iconic crispy layers we all love. Here, the journey from simple ingredients to crispy wafers unfolds before our eyes. It's a meticulous process that combines precision, technology, and a touch of culinary artistry. It all starts with a simple dough made by combining wheat flour, sugar, yeast, and water. These basic ingredients are the foundation of the Kit Kat wafer, each playing a crucial role in the final product. The ingredients are carefully measured and mixed in large industrial mixers, ensuring consistency in every batch. These mixers are designed to handle large quantities, blending the components into a smooth, uniform dough. The dough is then fed into a series of rollers, which press and stretch it into thin, delicate sheets. This step is critical, as the thickness of the dough sheets will determine the texture of the final wafer. These sheets are then cut into rectangular shapes, ready for their transformation into crispy wafers. The precision of the cutting process ensures that each wafer is uniform in size and shape. The cut dough sheets are carefully placed onto baking trays and moved into giant ovens. These trays are designed to hold the dough securely while allowing even heat distribution during baking. The baking process is crucial for achieving the signature Kit Kat crunch. The ovens are calibrated to the perfect temperature, ensuring that the wafers bake evenly and develop their characteristic texture. Inside the ovens, the heat transforms the dough. This transformation is a delicate balance of time and temperature, which must be carefully monitored to achieve the perfect bake. The yeast activates, creating air pockets within the dough, which gives the wafers their light and airy texture. These air pockets are essential for the crispiness that Kit Kat wafers are known for. As they bake, the wafers turn a beautiful golden brown, signaling that they're ready for the next stage of their journey. This golden hue is a sign of the perfect bake, indicating that the wafers are crispy and delicious. The aroma of freshly baked wafers fills the air, making our mouths water in anticipation. This irresistible scent is a testament to the quality and care that goes into every batch. We can't wait to see what happens next. The journey from dough to crispy delight is just beginning, and there's so much more to discover in the world of Kit Kat. Section 4, Chocolate Dreams from Bean to Bar. Welcome to the fascinating journey of how Kit Kat transforms simple cocoa beans into the delicious chocolate bars we all love. This process is a blend of art and science, tradition and innovation, all coming together to create a product that brings joy to millions. While the wafers are busy baking, let's shift our attention to the equally important chocolate-making process. The journey of chocolate begins long before it reaches the factory, starting in the lush, tropical regions where cocoa trees thrive. Kit Kat uses real chocolate, and it all begins with high-quality cocoa beans. These beans are sourced from some of the best cocoa-growing regions in the world, ensuring that only the finest ingredients are used. The beans arrive at the factory in large sacks, their rich aroma filling the air. Each sack is a treasure trove of potential, waiting to be unlocked through careful processing. They are carefully inspected and sorted to ensure only the best beans make it into the mix. This meticulous selection process is crucial, as the quality of the beans directly impacts the flavor of the final product. The journey from bean to bar is a fascinating one. It involves several stages, each contributing to the development of the chocolate's unique characteristics. The beans are first roasted to develop their characteristic flavor and aroma. Roasting is an art in itself, requiring precise control of temperature and time to bring out the best in the beans. The roasting process is crucial as it significantly impacts the final taste of the chocolate. The beans must be roasted just right to achieve the perfect balance of flavors. Next, the roasted beans are ground into a thick paste known as chocolate liquor. This step transforms the beans into a form that can be further processed into chocolate. The chocolate liquor is then pressed to separate the cocoa butter from the cocoa solids. This separation is essential, as both components play vital roles in the chocolate-making process. The cocoa butter will be used later to give the chocolate its smooth texture. This creamy, rich fat is what makes chocolate melt so beautifully in your mouth. The cocoa solids are further refined and blended with sugar, milk powder, and other ingredients according to Kit Kat's secret recipe. This blend is what gives Kit Kat its distinctive taste and texture. The mixture undergoes a process called conching, where it is continuously stirred and heated for hours, sometimes even days. Conching is a critical step that smooths out the chocolate and develops its flavor. Conching develops the flavor and texture of the chocolate, resulting in a luxuriously smooth and melt-in-your-mouth experience. This process ensures that every bite of Kit Kat is a moment of pure indulgence. The aroma of rich, creamy chocolate fills the air, making it almost impossible to resist sneaking a taste. This tantalizing scent is a testament to the quality and care that goes into every bar of Kit Kat. Finally, the chocolate is poured into molds, cooled, and then combined with the freshly baked wafers. The result is the iconic Kit Kat bar, ready to be wrapped and shipped to chocolate lovers around the world. From bean to bar, every step of the process is meticulously managed to ensure the highest quality. It's a journey of transformation, turning humble cocoa beans into a beloved treat that brings joy to so many. So, the next time you break off a piece of that Kit Kat bar, remember the incredible journey it has taken. From the hands of farmers to the skilled workers in the factory, each bar is a testament to dedication and craftsmanship. Whether you enjoy the classic milk chocolate or one of the many exciting flavors, each Kit Kat bar is a celebration of the art of chocolate making. Enjoy every bite, knowing the care and passion that went into creating it. Kit Kat is more than just a chocolate bar, it's a shared experience, a moment of joy, and a break from the ordinary. So go ahead, have a break, have a Kit Kat. Section 5. Layered Perfection. Building the Kit Kat structure. Now that we have our crispy wafers and luscious chocolate, the next step is to combine these elements in a way that creates the perfect balance of texture and flavor. It's time to bring them together to create the iconic Kit Kat structure, a process that has been perfected over decades. This is where precision and automation take center stage, ensuring each Kit Kat bar meets the highest standards of quality. The cooled wafers arrive from the baking section, ready for their chocolatey makeover. These wafers are the foundation of the Kit Kat bar, providing that essential crunch. They are placed onto a conveyor belt, embarking on their journey to becoming Kit Kat bars. This conveyor belt is a marvel of modern engineering, designed to handle the delicate wafers with care. Meanwhile, the freshly made chocolate is tempered, a process that involves heating and cooling it to specific temperatures. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture and consistency. Tempering ensures the chocolate sets with a glossy shine and a satisfying snap. This is what gives Kit Kat its distinctive look and feel. The tempered chocolate is then poured onto the wafers, creating a smooth layer of chocolatey goodness. This layer acts as the glue that holds the wafers together. Next, another layer of wafer is carefully placed on top of the chocolate, creating the signature Kit Kat layers. This step requires precision to ensure each layer is perfectly aligned. This layering process is repeated, depending on whether the final product is a 2- or 4-finger Kit Kat bar. Each layer adds to the complexity and enjoyment of the final product. The layering process requires careful alignment to maintain the even shape and structure of the bars. Any misalignment could affect the final product's quality. As the layered wafers move along the conveyor belt, they undergo a series of quality checks to ensure each bar meets the brand's high standards. We can't help but marvel at the speed and precision of the entire operation. The efficiency of the production line is a testament to years of innovation and refinement. It's a testament to the ingenuity of the Kit Kat production process. From the careful baking of the wafers to the precise tempering of the chocolate, every step is designed to create the perfect Kit Kat bar. This intricate dance of machinery and human expertise ensures that each bar is a delightful treat, ready to be enjoyed by chocolate lovers around the world.